This was something I posted on my Facebook that I wanted to make sure I get out as many places as possible. And even though I'm new to TikTok, I wanted to add it here. So you will notice that I will be reading this. But I really didn't expect to wake up this morning still thinking about the conversation last night about swapping medications for essential oils. This could be so bad. Imagine a mom taking mental health medications, and 3 months after having a baby, she is suggested to do a 7-day study replacing meds with copaiba softgels. Imagine this mom is struggling with postpartum. Imagine the rebound that happens when you stop taking strong meds like that, cold turkey. And also imagine that copaiba softgels do absolutely nothing for mental health. We've seen stories in the news, right? I'm sure you've seen them too, of moms suffering from mental health issues and harming themselves and their children. Imagine how horrible this rep would feel if this happened. Imagine how tragic this would be for everyone around. Please, 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 if you make or sell or talk to people about essential oils and you give them suggestions, please know what you are talking about. Your company is not concerned with liability because when you joined, the liability actually became yours. Check the contract if you don't believe me. Your company is interested in sales. Maybe your company is also wanting to help other people, but suggestions like the one I mentioned is very dangerous for many reasons. And this is why we need more essential oil safety advocates, advisors, and experts out there. And this is really why I'm so excited about training some of you inside my academy, but this is not what this is about, so I'm not going to talk about that right now and include a link. But I do need to duplicate myself and my knowledge, and this is being done with you guys right here on TikTok, everyone inside of my Facebook community, when you read and share this information. For those of you who have clients and customers, you have a responsibility to make sure all of the information that you are recommending is only beneficial. I know you want to help people. You cannot take the sales brochures and training materials that are really training in sales from your company without also learning about safety, real true safety information from someone like me who does not sell essential oils and whose only goal is to educate. Nope, not going to get off the soapbox now or ever.